Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and we have more updates when it comes to Pepejuice. How much they raised in the pre-sale? We're closing in on $400,000. Depending on when you see this, the price probably is up by a little, so over 0.0021 USD per Pepejuice token, as that is happening in 11 hours, and I think this video goes live after, but let's focus on everything in here that happened so far. There are a couple different ways on how you can get the token. Either you use ETH on Ethereum or on the base network where USDC is also available. Simply click on here between ETH and USDT. You can swap on Solana. You can use either Sol and connect your wallet, or in another option, you can simply copy the wallet down here and send Solana directly to it, which will then be registered and you get the tokens into your wallet once things in here are done. For BNB, USDT and BNB is available, as well as USDT and Polygon or Matic on the Polygon network in order to get some tokens. So far, we know that there are a couple different things that the Pepejuice cartel is known for. They have insider trading for the pre-sale, as we know right now. If you would have gotten this a week or 2 weeks ago, easy 2 to 3x already based on the price. We can get juice together, join the cartel, for which you need to have some tokens. The current API is still 1,000%. I think we have 2,000%. We had roughly that at launch, but all the tokens so far are staked automatically, which is pretty cool, as now the 15% and the tokenomics are kept for staking will be rewarded to people that have the token. Staking happens automatically, which is nice. 1,000 to 2,000% is absolutely insane, as you get want more tokens simply for having them. However, they have one thing when it comes to staking called stake flow up here. It is the ultimate flex for diamond hands. So if you hold the token long term, that is your reward for that. Rewards hit your wallet auto magically. You don't have to do anything for it. You simply get the token in there, so no active staking, unstaking is needed. It simply happens, which starts the moment you buy in. Here's the thing. If you paper hand within 2 days, 48 hours of the launch, which will be on the 31st of December, say goodbye to those sweet gains. That's one way in order for people to not just, buy the token now, hope that the launch is at a higher price and then dump immediately, but instead get the rewards in additional tokens, hold long term, and play the game that well. The presale staking, that's off-chain. The OG mode post-launch, we are dropping on-chain staking, leveling up the game. It starts at 2,000%. Right now we have 1,000%. As more tokens being staked, the percentage goes down a bit. And the more apps join, the rather the juice flows. Makes sense. Stack those tokens, stake your claim, and ride the wave. Most importantly right now, let's say, for example, you would have $500 in USDC, you get almost 250,000 tokens, which means right now for about $2,100, you will get 1,000,000 tokens in Pepejuice. So if that goes to $1 a token, that makes you a millionaire. Just a 500x on there, which can definitely happen considering that it's less than $500,000 raised so far. And we have seen tokens go to multi-billion just based on the idea alone. So as always, the links for everything in the description down below. Make sure to check them out in the community on Twitter as well as in Telegram. Join the cartel, get some tokens, get some inside information, and be early when it comes to this presale. You know that this one is not financial advice, but I'm pretty sure this one is going to do well after launch. Most importantly, there's a link down below that you can click in order to purchase the token directly. That makes it as simple as possible to get it. And I would say happy holidays, enjoy the new year and the launch on the 31st, as that is happening very soon.